Hello children, let's talk bases. Today, I would like us to understand what bases mean and write them in words. Think back to all the numbers that you have learned to write. When you started out drawing and counting and building numbers. All this while, we've been building numbers in groups of 10. And that system of numbers is called decimal numbers. Numbers that are built or written and grouped in tens. So we'll use a place value chart to explain this. And if you recall from our place value number work, we have ones, and when you have 10 ones and build even bigger, you get groups of 10, and 10 tens will make hundreds, and 10 hundreds will make thousands, and 10 thousands, and it just keeps growing. But what that is groupings of 10. So that's just how they manage to simplify and explain counting numbers. So we'll start with a simple number, 17. What does this look like on our place value chart? 17 is 10 plus 7. What that is one group of tens and 7 ones. What if numbers were grouped not in tens but as groups of other numbers? We will discover that we then create different number systems. Systems that are not based on groupings of 10. So let's group 17 in fives. If you look and see what my drawing representation is, I have groups of 5. I've just grouped sticks in fives. So count with me: 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So 17, when grouped in fives, looks nothing like 17 grouped in tens. So we have 3 groups of fives and 2 ones. So what this means is 17 is in base 5. Because we are grouping in fives, we are now rewriting 17 in base 5. Is 3 groups of 5 and 2 ones in base 5. So how do we write this in words? Don't make the mistake of saying 32 base 5. No. In this, when we're doing this other base systems, we will write it as 3, 2, base 5. What if we were to regroup or group in threes? Let's work with the number 8. When represented as groups of threes, we get 2 groups of 3 and 2 ones. Count with me: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 6, 7, 8. So 2 threes is 6 plus 2 ones is 8. So what that means is 8 in base 3 is 2 groups of 3 and 2 ones. And written in words, this is 2, 2, base 3. Let's try this number together. What is 15 in base 4? Have a think and pause the video if you'd like to try it out on your own before seeing how we do it. So 15 in base 4 means write 15 in groups of 4. So we are going to group in 4s. Together we have 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4 gives us 8, 3 groups of 4 gives us 12, and we can't make another group of 4, but we have 3 ones. 4, 8, 12, and the 3 ones gives us 15. So 15, what this means is 15 is 3 groups of 4 and 3 ones, base 4. In words, I'll use a different color. This is written as 3, 3, base 4. So, to summarize, bases are groupings of numbers. And with each base, there will be certain digits that will recur, that will keep on featuring. In base 2, the digits for base 2 will be 0 and 1. Because once you make a group of 2, that becomes 1 group of 2. So if you have 3, it means that you have 1 group of 2 and 1 remainder. So you will not have any other number bigger than 1 in base 2. In base 3, you'll only use digits 0, 1, and 2. In base 4, you'll only use digits 0, 1, 2, and 3. Because once you make a bundle of 4, that becomes 1 group of 4 and no 1. So that will be represented in a different way. When you are working in base 5, you will only use digits 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it carries on like that. When you work in base 6, you'll only use digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and no other digits. Not 6, not 7. And in base 10, as you know, we'll use digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So have a go at the work that we've sent, and then we'll take it from there tomorrow and look further into grouping in 5s. Bye-bye.